All right, so in this example, we are going to work on problem number 5 from our test review. This came from lesson 2-7, where we talked about fees. So if you are still struggling on that concept, please make sure that you go back and take the time to go and look over the videos that we talked about or that we created on fees. So in this example, we have Derek decided to buy a camera drone so he could film his trip to Yellowstone National Park. He purchased the drone online for $825.50. When he got it, Derek didn't like how it handled and decided to return it. The store charges a restocking fee of 18% of the item's purchase price. How much will Derek be charged for returning the drone? So, in this example, in order for us to find out how much the fees are going to be, remember we're talking about the price and we are going to multiply that by the fee, okay, fee percent. And then we're going to, there's a couple ways that we can do it. And then we can divide it by 100. And that will tell us what the cost of the fee is going to be. Okay. So in this method, let's see, we have our price is going to be $825.50. And then we're going to multiply that by the cost of the fee. It's 18%. So we're just going to write the numbers 18. And to represent the percent, we're going to just divide it by 100. So let's plug that in and see what we get. So we get 825. Uh-oh. Let me see. Let me scroll up so we can see all of my buttons. There we go. All right. So we got 825.5. And then we're multiplying that by 18. That gives me 14,859. And then we're going to divide that by 100. When we divide that by 100, we should come out with $148.59. What this tells me is this is the cost of the fee. And so when we're talking about the cost of the fee, oh, they're not asking how much he's going to receive back. They only want to know how much the fee is. So we've actually got our answer right here, $148.59. Now, let me show you a couple other ways that we could have figured out the same answer. So this one was using our percent. The second way was, remember, I like to convert my numbers so we could take the price times the fee in the decimal form. So we're going to say the fee, but we want it in its decimal form. Okay. So in that case, we would have said $825.50 times 18% is the same thing as saying 18% is the same thing as writing 0.18. Remember, we're going to shift our decimal 2 places to the left. So now it's in front of the, or to the left of the 1, right? So we're going to have our decimal 1/8. And because it's less than 1, we're going to put a 0 for a whole. So this is the decimal form of 18%. So I'm just going to multiply it by that amount. And if you plug that into the calculator, you're going to still come out with the same amount, which is $148.59. Okay. All right. So those are the two ways that we could have figured it out to find out how much the fee is going to be.